Okay, finally got this working. This is the timer being used to shift the color of the LED. So the file is compiling. I use VLO and A clock, and then I run the WDCC off that, the watchdog timer off that. We will expect 0.7 seconds instead of 1 second because I didn't solder off the thing because I'm in California. So this sends it into low power mode 3, and then it wakes back up. It goes through like 16 levels. And yeah, I put the code in the interrupt for now, which is not great, but it works. So I hit play, and there we go. So red, all the way to purple, all the way to blue. Ja, back to red. Good. Okay folks, I finally got it working. This is the temperature change, so I'm just going to program and then let it run, and then I'll explain what's going on. So this is the internal ADC converter being used, temperature sensor being used to set the mood ring. What a scam. Anyway, upload, level set is the level of the LED, and the reason I left it there is just that we can understand what value it's at, so in case you can't see it graphically, you can see this value. So it's 38 right now. That's what it looks like, and I'm going to use a hair dryer and blast the whole thing. And you should hopefully have seen that go from purple to like blue, and to show you that that was the case, we can see that it went into 48, which is the maximum value. Now we're going to wait for that to cool down. In the meantime, I'm going to explain how the code works. So what's happening is that, random initial level, we're using VLO for the whole thing, so the ADC is running off its own internal oscillator. We can change that to VLO, but hey, why not? So the watchdog is used to switch the interrupt to switch the whole thing on and sample periodically. This is setting the ADC, and all this is explained here. We're sourcing with the internal temperature sensor. Then we're using this polling method to see if anything is going on, and then this is the conversion. This is kind of the minimum, and we times 2 just to amplify the change across the whole range of 48, and then we go into sleep mode here. And what can wake it up from sleep mode is this watchdog timer. I did try playing around with an ADC timer, and that can be used to add a second sleep mode, but I haven't gotten that working yet. So in the meantime, let's see if that value, so it's still the same blue color, so I don't expect the value has changed yet. It hasn't cooled down that much, but let's check 48, and it's still at 48. Yep. Okay. Sure. This is going to take a while, so patience, I suppose. Patience. I shouldn't have blasted it so much. That was a bad idea. Yeah, we're just gonna wait. Still 48. I should probably add like an unadjusted one, because I have it such that if it goes more than 48 or less than 0, it normalizes to that number. But I should change that. That'll be cooler. Yeah. I should probably remove that normalization. So I kind of did it so that it would suit the human temperature range more rather than a hair dryer. But for dramatic effect, I decided to use a hair dryer. But let's see. What if we gently blow it? Ah, it's at 44. Beautiful. 42, it's dropping. Yeah, we're hitting jackpot. Okay, so it's 44. 42. Oh, whoops, I blocked you. And you can kind of see that purplish color coming back. And now I'm gonna ramp it up and blast it again to where it used to be. You ready? Okay, folks, you saw that.